Tilray came on. And this man, I suggested that the market size was $500 billion, which I got from another company, which is a company that I talked to at the Green Market Report. And he didn't say that. He said, listen, it's $150 billion. In other words, I said $500 billion. He said $150 billion. I thought that was very good, but there's only 10 million shares outstanding, okay, that can trade. There's 76 million total. He did not deny, like in the prospectus, that he needs to raise capital. Remember, they have 200 million versus Canopy having $6 billion because of the Constellation investment. All I'm saying is there are a lot of people who feel that he's stoking it. Now he is coming on. He did come on Mad Money. That means you could say theoretically he's stoking.
Jim, what do you
tell
people though? Aren't the stocks trading at 950 times, something like that, sales, right? It's for those of us who were in the late 90s and following things every day. It's somewhat reminiscent of a handful of those names that were just going up every day, in part because, of course, we had this.
They can't be in
this huge moment of change occurring that we all knew was coming. Well, this is not necessarily anything like the coming of the internet. What do you do with this thing?
Well, you know, we have a $20 billion company. No, you can't short it. You got a $22 billion company. What happens there, they have a tie-in with Novartis, Sandoz Canada. That's a very realistic, that's a very realistic tie-in. They have $9 million in revenues this quarter. Look, I don't want people in it.
Really telling me it's going to grow into this market cap?
No, it's not, because the whole market cap of all these companies is about $40 billion, and it's now half of that.
Which is the expected addressable market in 7 years.
No, it's insane. And by the way, October 17th, nobody in Canada is even ready. So it's really important that people recognize that it's just being triggered by retail investors, stoked, by the way, not by any means whatsoever, by Citron, by Andrew Left, who wrote a piece on September 12th saying that this thing is way overvalued. Of course, in Triple Fund, he wrote that yesterday midday. So please blame the retail investors. Kennedy was not promotional in Mad Money. He was not. I said 3 times, are you going to raise money? 3 times he said, look, we do need money to compete. That's not like the dot-coms. But the investors are trading it like a dot-com. So I'm blaming the investors. People can pile on to me, but boy, I really egged this guy on, and he wouldn't go there. Much smaller market, less than a third of the size of the market that I was saying it's going to be. On medical, on edible, on pet food, on, by the way, David, recreational.